Hello, Bree here. I'm with my friend Emma Beckett,
Hi there.
and we're talking about the hiccups. Oh, there's one.
Yep.
So where do our hiccups come from?
Underneath your lungs, you have a big sheet of muscle that helps you breathe.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Usually, this muscle tightens
Tighten
and relaxes
and relax.
to help you breathe in and out. But every now and then, that muscle goes a little bit funny and it twitches really quickly.
Twitch.
And when it twitches, it makes you breathe in just a little bit. And that's the hiccup.
So that's where our hiccups come from. Imagine this, a podcast with big ideas for little ones.